Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to create AI video like this. So if you want to create AI video like this, please subscribe and share to your friends if you find this video useful. So first you just need to create an account in the Hailou AI platform. For the new users, it will provide 250 free credit points. From that credit points, we can create AI videos for free. So if you want more credit points, you just need to subscribe for that. So we are going to discuss about how to create AI videos. There are two options, image to video and text to video. We are going to use text to video platform. For that, you just need to copy paste any one of the prompts from the ChatGPT. So after that, you just need to select your model and then you have to select your duration. After that, it will generate your AI video. For the new users, you have to wait for the few minutes. So if you are already subscribed to this platform, it will generate your videos in 2 minutes. So now our AI video is successfully generated. So based on your prompts, it will generate good AI videos. If your prompt is good, your video will be good. So this is one of the way we can create AI videos. So there are a lot of AI videos I have created in this platform. So based on my opinion, it is one of the best AI website we can create AI videos. So animations are very good. So that's it. So this is how you can create amazing AI videos using Hailou AI website. So if you find this video useful, please subscribe and share to your friends.